and welcome back to First United Methodist Church's Children's Ministries Advent Book Series. We have been reading books all month and we have lots more to come. We hope that you enjoy this one. Here we go. Advent greetings. I'm Megan. You might recognize me from the First Company stage. I'm here today to read you The Message of the Birds by Kate Westerlund. Let's begin. The old owl began a story he had told many times over the years. Long ago, in a simple stable, a child was born, and as he lay, the animals of the stable tenderly watched, and there were birds in the rafters listening to the gentle cooing and gurgling of the baby. But what they heard in his voice were the sounds of the song that they would carry throughout the world. It was a special song of blessing, of joy, and of goodwill. "Why don't we sing it anymore?" asked the robin. "People don't listen," said the partridge. "Why not?" asked the cuckoo. "Perhaps it is the language they no longer understand," said a lark. "But if they listened with their hearts," suggested the little robin. "Hearts understand every language, don't they?"
"Some people think the message is for others and is not meant for them," said the owl.
"I think many people have had their ears closed for so long, they don't remember how to listen," said the hoopoe. "The children," said the robin softly. "We should sing it for the children," he continued. "They would listen. They would understand the message." For a moment, there was not a sound.
And then suddenly, the branches were alive with twittering and chirping and every kind of bird sound. They all agreed. "Tell every bird you see," the owl said. "Tell them, wherever they fly, to whisper the message of Jesus' birth. Sing it softly to every child." The birds flew in every direction. Some had long journeys, but whenever they flew, they sang and whispered to bird after bird and to child after child, "Jesus is born! Jesus is born! He is Christ the Lord." Then one night it was time. A big, bright, beautiful star shone down over the earth. A child came with a little lantern and reached out to hold the hand of another child. She held the hand of her brother, and he reached for the hand of a friend. People came with candles, lights, and torches to see what was happening. They saw hands linked together, white hands, brown hands, black hands. Children everywhere were joining together. The children had heard the message of the birds, and what had started as a whisper now resounded from shining faces all over the world. For, you see, hearts do understand every language. Hear us. Hear the message. Let there be peace on earth. And then there's a page of the book where the word peace is written in many different languages. Peace be unto you, shalom, and Merry Christmas.